Today we are going to discuss some of the features of the web version of mysalesdialer Pro, especially the features how to we use different type of message template and make your whole outreach part personalized. So this is the home page. When an agent logs in, they are presented with my contacts, my message template, my report, and you can manually add a contact or work on the contact that is assigned by your manager. So now let's dive into my message templates. And when you go to my message templates, you can certainly visit my message template either using my message template or from CRM. So you have different type of templates that you can create and utilize it at the time when you are actually working with the CRM. So you have got email template, you have got call script templates, you have SMS template, and you've got voicemail drop template. So let's look at email template. Okay, how does the email template work? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and create a simple touch base email template. Okay, and here you can give touch base from XYZ, and here you can do a personalization. Hi, and you can say first name, and you can type your message, hope you are doing well, I wanted to touch base with you on my so and so products or services. Kindly let me know if there is an interest from your end. Regards, whatever, right? And you save it. So once you save, a new template touch base has been created. Of course, you can further modify it by going to your email templates, and you can save it. It will save back. Now let's see this template in action. Okay, so you go to CRM and you go to my contacts. You've got different contacts, clients, leads, prospects. So depending on whichever folder you want to go. So let's say I want to go to contacts and I'm doing prospecting as of now. All right, so I will go here and I'm presented here with different contacts. As you know that you can move the contacts, move previous, next, and all that basically automatically in the middle. All the contacts keep changing. So now let's say I want to utilize my my email template and send an email to this prospect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click email here. Okay, and I will select my touch base template. So when select touch base templates, automatically it gets personalized. Whatever is the name of the person will come here, all the information will come, and you just say send. Once you do the send, basically the email gets sent successfully, and that's pretty much what is required to be done. All right, hope this feature is useful and beneficial for utilizing the email. And currently the email goes from our server, so you don't have to do anything, just use this feature. Thank you.